welcome to this video where I will help you out how to join a classroom in Google Classroom. And this is quite simple. First of all, search for Google Classroom login. Search for that and then click here on this link. Then you will see this page. Now, I just already created a test classroom, but what you need to do is you need to receive a code in your mail or from a person that you want to join. So right now, if I click here, you can see here the code and I do a copy for this code because this is the code that you need to join a classroom. So right now, if you go back to home, you can see here in your screen when you don't create a class, join a class. We need to click here on the plus icon and then do join class. And then you can fill in here the code. Then you can do join. And right now it's not possible because I not started the classroom. But normally when your teacher or someone that is hosting a classroom start the classroom, you can join with this code. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.